Oh, here it is. Look at it. Oh boy, it's all sandy. So anyway, the way this works is you loop these lines in there. And that's how it stays on. So to get it off, all you gotta do is smush them like that. Get the other side. Just unhook them basically. And it's really stiff at the end here. It's super stiff, so there we go. Get that. Now we'll take it in the water and juice it up, get it cleaned up. So you don't want your camera to be all sandy. So we're going to take it to the ocean and dip her in, get her unsandified. You can see how it gets condensation in there from the heat of the battery and the cool air or water. But this I bought 15 years ago and it still works. And I have not lost the camera yet. Brush your fingers. Look at the lens there. It gets a little condensation on it when this heats up and it's a little bit colder outside. In the wintertime, it does it really bad. But this camera here was like 35, 40 bucks, and it works almost as good as a GoPro 4K camera. And this thing, this thing is like 20 years old, and I never lost it in all the crashes that I've had. So, highly recommend to get one of these off Amazon.